Kit Kat, the famous chocolate bar, wanted to launch its Have a Break concept in Colombia. The launch started in Bogota, the country's capital and largest city. With its high population density, traffic jams and overused public transport systems, is one of the most stressful, chaotic cities in Latin America. We wanted to give the stress-out citizens a break. It is well known that a massage can be great to relieve stress, so we decided to do just that. The world's first massage billboard. We took over billboards in bus shelters across the city and turned them into mini massage parlors. All you had to do was to lean against the billboard, and it would give you a quick and comforting massage. All our billboards could be found in Google Maps, and every time the words tired, stress, or their equivalent were typed by somebody in Twitter, an instant reply would show them a map where the location of the nearest Kit Kat massage billboard could be found. That way, Kit Kat gave millions of stressed citizens a well-deserved break.